Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we decode the news that's shaping your world. Today we're diving into a shocking twist in the US-China trade war that has everyone from Silicon Valley to Wall Street talking. President Donald Trump just made a move that no one saw coming. He's removed tariffs on key electronics from China. That's right, phones, laptops, microchips, all spared. But here's the million-dollar question. Is this a peace offering or a strategic maneuver in a much bigger economic chess game? Stick with us, because the future of tech, trade, and your wallet could depend on what happens next. All right, let's break it down step by step. First, what just happened? In a major development that shocked both Washington and Beijing, Donald Trump has officially exempted key electronics from the harsh tariffs recently imposed on Chinese imports. Let's rewind for a second. Just last year, the U.S. raised tariffs on certain Chinese goods by as much as 145%, a move that intensified the already tense trade war. But now, there's been a dramatic reversal, and the electronics sector seems to be catching a break. That means tariffs won't apply to smartphones, laptops, and tablets, semiconductor equipment, microchips, and processors. This is huge because these items are at the heart of the global tech economy. Think of the devices you use every day, your phone, your laptop, or even the microchips powering your car. All of that could have become significantly more expensive, but for now, it looks like those price hikes have been avoided. So, what changed? Why the sudden reversal? Let's head into segment 2. Why the sudden reversal? Here's the deal. Some of the biggest names in tech, Apple, Intel, Dell, and HP, pushed back hard. These companies rely heavily on Chinese manufacturing and supply chains for semiconductors. Tariffs meant higher production costs, slower turnaround times, and, as you may have guessed, higher prices for you, the consumer. Picture this: a $1,000 phone suddenly jumping to $100 or $200, a laptop priced at $700 reaching closer to $900. These aren't small numbers, and they would have hit your wallet hard. Not to mention, American tech giants like Apple stood to lose massive ground in the global market, especially against competitors who aren't burdened by these tariffs. Faced with mounting pressure, President Trump pulled electronics off the tariff list. But here's the kicker. Was this decision made for consumers? Was it about protecting American companies, or is there something deeper at play here? Let's keep digging. But don't start celebrating just yet. This isn't a permanent solution. It's more like hitting pause on a ticking time bomb, because the underlying tensions between the US and China haven't disappeared. They've just been swept under the rug, temporarily. What does that mean? It means you're not paying an extra $200 for electronics today, but larger geopolitical shifts could eventually reshape the entire market. Which brings us to segment 4, future predictions.